Hey guys, today I'm giving a presentation on UI animation at the University of Berkeley, and I'm also giving a workshop on advanced sketch techniques. And I'm pretty excited, but at the same time I'm super nervous. Let me show you how the keynote is looking. Ton of slides. I'm going through animation tools, the animation tools for prototyping, for implementation, and for also like just showing all the different things, and also the ultimate combo for the implementation, which is using After Effects, Body Movement, and Lottie from Airbnb, and also going through some UI animation principles, a ton of BS about animation, functional, feels natural, and brings the light. I think I'm going to be doing a video about this and showing with tacos how easing works. Can you see the tacos? And they look like they arrive at different times, but they all actually last 1 second at the end. And anyway, I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully it goes well. And I need some coffee, and I need to get going because I don't want to be late. Okay, let's go. I'm here with Kathleen Hsu at University of Berkeley. What is the program here in Berkeley?
Yeah, so we're Berkeley Innovation, and we're a human-centered design club here at Cal, and so we do a lot of cool UI UX projects and interaction design projects. So we're hosting a conference to teach everyone about human-centered design with a lot of cool speakers like Pablo.
Here with Andrew from Flexport. He's going to be giving a talk here.
We're going to talk about the lessons that I've learned scaling the design team, and also starting when it was just me as doing all the design, and kind of all the lessons that I've learned along that journey. A lot of counterintuitive things, a lot of humbling moments.
Brittany, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Oh my gosh, you know that's the hardest question to answer. I don't know, I'm just really excited to be here today because human-centered design is something that I've been passionate about. I actually did go to college for it. So I'm currently working at Microsoft, and Microsoft last year came out with a thing called Inclusive Design, a toolkit to help designers think holistically, not just about like disability and accessibility, but about contextually. If you design something that helps someone who maybe can't see or can't talk, or they can't move as freely as everybody else, you solve for other situations such as the distracted driver, or someone who has a newborn baby and they only have access to like one hand to use their phone.
What about you, Paul?
What about me? I'm just hanging out. I'm just here, designer. I work at a nutrition and food company where I get to help people basically find their own nutrition. People who are eating our food, for our partners, our chefs who are making, for our crew that takes it around. But also just, you know, the students, kind of the next generation coming, talking with them, kind of seeing what's up.
Yeah, I know.
Didn't go to a design school, so it's...
They're the ones that are going to take our jobs.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's feed them bad information. Let's misinform them so they're not prepared.
They take our job.
They took our job! They took our job! They took your job! They took our job!
So there's a 3D printer makeathon going on right now, where the competition is to solve some sort of health-related challenge with 3D printing.
I think I get a lot of questions about what my background is. You know, some people study design, some people study other things. I think cross-disciplinary stuff is always a great idea. My background is actually in engineering, and throughout my career I've kind of bounced back and forth between the two. A lot of the times nowadays we talk about human-centric or human-centered design, which is great, but oftentimes people think that they're designing just on this little screen, especially if you're doing software design, people forget about the humans. So if you're designing for somebody that's going to be taking public transport, to go back to that initial example, they might be standing in bright light. So you need to think about contrast. You should be thinking about contrast anyway. And then you start thinking about how the person is feeling. Are they in a rush? Are they stressed? All those types of things are going to be important to understand. And then, you know, taking it up again, another level of context, you know, everybody is surrounded by other people, they interact with other people, so we need to think about that greater context as well. What that means is, like, if somebody can't see something, they're probably not going to choose it. So your job as a designer is to make these new realities visible, because otherwise people won't imagine them, so they won't choose them. The last thing I want to talk about is knowing yourself. It's really important for you as a designer because part of the job is giving and taking a lot of criticism. So the more you know about yourself and what your strengths and weaknesses are, the more you're going to be able to give and receive feedback in an effective way. And being able to solicit and feedback and iterate on the experience others have working with you is huge, right? If other people enjoy their experience working with you, that gives you an edge in your career. You also don't expect people to speak up, right? Like ask, how was that? How did that project go? Was I clear? All those types of things. You know, are we at an era where craft is really dead? Which is to say that craft in and of itself is not enough to succeed anymore because craft is becoming commoditized, especially with the advances in AI. And so, do you have to be more multifaceted, ostensibly, to make great design happen and stand out?
Hi, my name is Matt Armstrong. I'm a product designer on design systems at Dropbox.
Hi, my name is Khoe. I direct design and long-term research at the Khan Academy, and I was formerly at Apple for a long time.
Hi, my name is Brittany Mederos. I'm a product design manager at Microsoft, and my goal for this year is to grow the design team here in Silicon Valley for Microsoft.
Hey, I'm Michael Lemons. I'm a product designer at Facebook. Most recently was on the search team where we redesigned the search product, and before this I was at Instagram.
Jade Baldwin, Director of Client Services, Method, and I'm currently working in the education space.
Hi, I'm Preeti. I'm a product designer freelancing at the moment, but I've worked for Target, Goldman Sachs, most recently worked with Rashad at Slant.
Hi, I'm Rashad. I am a product designer. We're redesigning how you buy everything.
And I'm Andrew Coyle, and I'm the design team over at Flexport, which is a global logistics startup. Having that level of trust with the people that you're working with is absolutely critical to doing good work.
Define your own rules and then play by your own strengths. And then just like keep on going, you know, like be persistent. What it's about learning how to learn. Like one of the most important skills that you can learn as a human is to just learn how to learn and not be scared about new things. And this doesn't have to be from books. Like personally, for me, I started reading 4 years ago or something. For me, it was a matter of like trial and error. How good you are at Sketch doesn't necessarily make you a great designer. But if you learn how to learn, then you wouldn't be scared about the fact that you're currently not doing that well. And most likely there will be a voice in your head telling you that your work is not good enough.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to do my presentation. Again, I'm super nervous. I think I'll do fine. You just have to pretend that you know what you're saying. That's how you get people to believe in you.
Okay, so our next speaker is Pablo Stanley, who is currently head of design at Carbon Health.
How was it?
It was a huge success.
It was awesome.
All because of Pablo here.
No. Well, thanks for having us.
Thanks for joining us.
Look at that. Say hi. Hi. Okay. The conference is over. Amazing designers, really cool people, a lot of diversity, and I don't know, it gets me excited to know that all of these people are going to be the next amazing designers that we're going to be having, and it makes me very hopeful about the possibilities of design and the possibilities of what these people can make. Calling it a day, that's it for me. I'm kind of lost. Where am I? Oh, not an exit. Okay, I'm lost. Gotta find a way. Bye-bye.